couple of days later, it was back to work, ferrying the boss's broad and his dipshit of a brother out for the night so they could recover from their brush with more. Then again, what did I expect?
Previous video we actually saw how I purchased the motorcycle, and then I took it to my location for further analysis. It was obvious that after we did some few test rides, we found that the spark plug, the bike was actually not idling correctly. So I purchased new spark plugs. We changed it. Still, it was not correctly idling after the spark plug changes. We knew that okay, this might be caused by the fuel pump issue, because the fuel pump was actually spinning almost all the time. We knew that it was not putting the correct pressure, the fuel pressure, so it was not as a big deal, because we knew that the bike has other major problems. As you can see here, actually I was trying to rev it to see if it can stay idling, but still it was not idling correctly. Whenever you release your hand on the throttle, then the bike just dies. So after some few test rides, the bike had some other major issues. One of the issues was which was the big one actually. The third gear was popping up, the third and I think the fifth one. So whenever you're cruising, or you change the gear from the second to the third, and then you try to give it a gas a little bit, then the second gear just pops up. The third gear just pops up. So we removed the engine. As you can see here, we just disassembled the engine. We are disassembling it actually to see what were the major issues which were causing the gear to pop. I think we had the problem with the third gear and the fifth one. After analysis, we found that the gear which was it actually was caused by this forks. As you can see here, this is the gearbox. So in a gearbox on a motorcycle, for those who don't know, there are these what we call fork shifts. You see this one is very is in a bad shape. You can see that it is scratched, a lot of scratches, so it means it was not engaging the gears very properly. I found that two of them were in a bad state. This one, 4XV, I think 4XV is Yamaha is using the forks from the previous engines. 4XV I think is original Yamaha R1 from the 1999 to 2000, I guess. 4XV is the model number. So this one, as you can see, the fork is, this one is in a very bad state. So straight up, and then we see these dogs, these gears, the gears. So they pop because there are some scratches within it. So there are scratches on the gear and the scratches on the forks. So it means it was not properly holding the position whenever you are trying to move from. Actually, you are giving the gas in third gear. So okay. So straight up, so I knew that I need to buy some new forks, and then those teeth which were having issues, which have been scratched, or actually they're in bad state. So as you can see here, I went to eBay, found a better deal. I think, I don't remember correctly how much was that. I think it is $256. Yeah, I guess that was so I bought the new ones. So at last we are able to fix the gearbox issue. That is a good part, good news. And the motorcycle ran very well with the new gear forks and new dogs. So until next video, please subscribe so that we can make more video like this. So I hope you can learn something from our experience. We'll share more tips later on after we cover the whole story.